I'm going to show you 6 or 7 tips to make canned green beans taste as good as fresh green beans picked from your garden. Yes, it is possible. I'm starting with a 6-pound can of green beans. I'm going to use potato, white onion, a red bell pepper. Now, if you don't have a red bell pepper, you could use sliced pimentos. They're not hot, but they'll add texture and color. If you don't want to use the meat that I'll be using in this recipe, you can use broth, vegetable broth or chicken, and olive oil to get the fat content you'll need. Whatever you do, you don't want to use plain water because that will not have the same amount of flavor as you get from a broth or a stock. And here you can see the nutrition facts. This can says it has 24 servings. We're going to start off by washing our meat. Now, I am using smoked turkey wings. You can see this is the turkey wing. It has a deep, rich color because it's been smoked. It has a lot of flavor and sodium in it. So the sodium part isn't so good. That's why we're only using 2 pieces. These 2 pieces only cost me $4.71. So I let it soak in water for about a good 5 or 10 minutes. Then I'm adding it into a big pot of water to let it boil for an hour to make a broth or stock. The dry seasonings that we're going to use in this stock include garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and some pink Himalayan salt and black pepper. I'm only using a pinch of salt because the smoked meat already has some. You can see I'm using about a half a tablespoon of paprika. The pot comes to a boil. Let it simmer for an hour to build a deep, rich broth. Then you want to take your can, check the expiration date to make sure it's still good, rinse the dust off the top of your can, and when you open it, we are going to first rinse it off. We're going to pour out the canned liquid and rinse it off. We don't want that tinny flavor to be in our dish, so this is an important tip with using canned green beans is to give it a rinse and shake off all of the excess water. This is important to do so we don't dilute the delicious stock that we just created. So now we're going to pour our clean green beans into our homemade stock. After the first hour, I like to pull my meat out and pull it off the bone because I don't want this meat to cook the whole 2-hour period because I don't like the texture it changes to. My green beans have been simmering for about 30 minutes, so I cut up my vegetables, 1/4 of my red bell pepper, a half of an onion, small onion, and 1 potato. And so I'm putting that in the pot with the 6 pounds of green beans, and I tasted my green beans and decided I needed more garlic powder, more onion powder, and I did add a pinch of smoked sea salt because that's a flavor that I like. So another tip is to taste your green beans after they've cooked for about 30 minutes and see if you need to add any more seasonings to make it suitable to your taste. I took out my last piece of turkey wing, and now I'm just going to cook it for about another 30 minutes to let my potatoes cook through. Now, this is the secret to get the homemade taste, is letting our canned green beans cook for about an hour. And remember, our turkey cooked for an hour before that. I added my turkey back to the pot, and with a fork, I'm making sure that my potatoes are tender. I added a couple of squirts of liquid smoke for that delicious flavor. My last tip to make these Southern style green beans is to add some sugar. Now, don't mind the clumps in it. My kitchen does get humid. And I am adding a tablespoon to start off with, and then you can taste it and see how you like that. Me personally, I'm adding 2 tablespoons for this 24 serving pot of green beans. 24 servings is what the can says it is. Now, look at how delicious it is. After this has cooked down for a total of 2 hours, you will not be able to tell that these green beans came out of a can. I promise you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for other delicious Southern recipes and soul food recipes.